Hello everyone, welcome to Canadian Desi Chef. Today we are making exotic mushroom pasta, a simple yet flavorful outlandish recipe. I'm focusing on designing the recipes which are not just simple, delicious and appetizing, but also it must provide that extra nutrition which is much needed in this difficult time. It is a vegetarian recipe, and in this video I'll be sharing with you the benefits of different varieties of mushroom and much more. So please watch this video till end. Mushrooms in general are very low in calories and they offer multiple health promoting effects. So let's start making it. For this recipe I'm using 4 varieties of cultivated wild mushroom, which includes Shiitake, oyster, king oyster and enoki. Shiitake mushroom has a rich, earthy flavor and distinctive taste, best described as meaty or umami. For preparing shiitake mushroom, quickly rinse it under cold running water or simply wipe the caps with a damp paper towel. Shiitake stems must be removed before cooking. The stems are tough and leathery. To remove them, pinch the stem very firmly at the base, right where it meets the cap. Then slice them across the cap. Oyster mushrooms have a delicate, mild flavor with a velvety texture. It comes bundled in a large group, all attached to the same central stem. To clean oyster mushroom, just use the tip of a sharp knife to carefully cut around the firm central stem and watch as the individual cap falls away. Discard the stem. The king trumpet or king oyster is the largest of the oyster mushroom. Unlike other oyster mushrooms, their stalks aren't too tough and woody to eat. Instead, they are very pleasing to eat and also hailed for their meaty texture and umami flavor. Trim off only the very end of the stem and give them a light brushing to remove dirt. Cut the cap and slice it. I am using only cap and saving stem for my other recipe. Enoki mushrooms have a firm, crispy texture and a delicate flavor, making them a versatile ingredient. They can be eaten raw or cooked, but it should be cleaned prior to use. To clean your enoki mushrooms, pick out any stems that are slimy and discolored. Then run the cluster under cold water. After that, cut off the woody stem at the end and separate the mushroom strands gently. Time to boil pasta. For boiling pasta, bring a pot filled with the water to a boil. Then add salt to it. Once it starts rapidly boiling, add fettuccine. Let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring it in between so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. Meanwhile, let me share few facts about pasta in general. Pasta is a dietary staple around the world, and it does contain some important nutrients. However, pasta is high in carbs. High carb diets have been associated with some negative effects on health. For this reason, it's important to keep portion sizes in check. In the end, moderation is a key when it comes to pasta. Now let's check our fettuccine. It should be al dente, means firm to bite and not mushy. Once done, strain water, add few drops of oil so it doesn't stick together. Cover it and keep it aside for later use. Now, on a high flame, heat up a pan. Add butter. If you are vegan, add olive oil. Once butter starts melting, add chopped garlic, chopped shallots, dried thyme, and saute it for 30 seconds. On a high flame, add prepared mushrooms except enoki, as it doesn't require that much cooking time. Add white cooking wine. It's optional. This will take about 2 minutes. Let me share few nutrient fact on different varieties of mushroom in general. I have provided detailed information on each variety in description box, as this video is too small to cover such a vast research. So here is a gist of it. Mushrooms are the only vegetable that contains vitamin D naturally. They are fat-free, low sodium, low calorie and cholesterol-free. They are also packed with fiber, vitamins and minerals. They are antioxidant, boost immunity, helps to reduce cholesterol levels in blood. It protects heart health, digestive system and maintain healthy skin, bones, muscles and nerves. Now let's check our mushrooms quickly. Once alcohol is almost cooked off, add mushrooms cooked about 70%, then add enoki mushroom and cook it about a minute. Now add salt and pepper to taste. Take it out on a plate and put them aside, and finish the remainder of a meal in the same pan. Now add cooked fettuccine and toss it. Add few drops of oil if required. Then add chopped parsley. Toss it and add salt and pepper if required. Then mix in mushrooms and enjoy hot and tasty pasta with your loved ones. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you soon in next video. Till then, keep learning and help others to learn. Bye bye. Take care.